Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get those Android apps on your phone into the Windows app, into your Windows. Now, admittedly, you're not going to be able to get all those Android apps because they're made for Android, but you can get a good chunk of it. So, as you all know, Microsoft Windows have this store called Microsoft Store. It's like your Apple Store, your Google Play Store. It's like those, but it's applications that is tuned and specifically for your Windows device. So, as you can see, we have tons of applications. You got TikTok, Spotify, Netflix, iTunes, Xbox. So these apps, they're on your mobile, they're on the Android device as well as the iPhone devices. As well as you can see, they've got tons of Android games, Roblox, Slot Casino, Candy Crush. Now, if you want to search for a particular application, as you can see over here, I'm searching for Messenger because I want to get the Messenger app for my computer. Now, I already have it downloaded, but in case you don't, you just want to come here. There's going to be an option called Get right there. I'm going to move on to another application to show that to you guys. For example, we don't have Netflix installed. So, you just want to press on Install or Get. These two words will be written over there. And after that, that's it. You don't have anything else to do. You just want to install, it's going to install automatically, and then you can just open it up and use it as how you want it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.